Today we are going to be exploring Stephen Covey's bestseller book, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. Today I'm going to be teaching you what makes highly effective people stand out from the others and how exactly can we use all of these steps in our life. Habit number 1 is that highly effective people are actually proactive. They take initiative. They take responsibility on what they need to do to make their success a reality. Learn how to take charge of your life. You are not in the passenger seat of your own life. Learn to grab hold of the steering wheel and direct yourself to where you want to go. You need to stay focused on what you can control within your life. You have so much power and control, and stop stressing about the things that is beyond you. The proactive individual knows that they have all the power to define their destiny, and they're not going to stop until they get what they want. Habit number 2 is to actually begin with the end in mind. Define what you want within your lifetime. If you were to look back on your life when you're 94 years old, what exactly would you say to yourself? What I want to achieve? What did I regret in my life? What are all the accomplishments? What are all the things that would make me happy in that moment? So you need to define your destination. Where might you end up? What might you be doing? Where exactly do you see yourself? And this can slowly align your actions that you need to take right now in order to get there eventually. Habit number 3 is actually to prioritize every single thing in your life. Prioritize exactly all the daily actions, routines that you need to get done. Prioritize what matters most. Prioritize what will actually move the needle closer to what you want in this lifetime. Focus on the important tasks and not just keeping your day busy and doing things that are irrelevant. Actually focus on what is important to do. Habit 4 is to have win-win solutions for other people. Now, the effective person truly knows how to make everybody benefited within the scenario, and how exactly can you rely on the self-interest of other people to help you and guide you within what you want for yourself as well. So you need to focus on the mutual benefit and interest on both parties in the dynamic. Cultivate an abundance mindset, and don't forget to collaborate with other people, because this is truly your power. When you can reach out to other people, build teams, talk to other people, make big things happen. And it is all by your close connection to other people and learning how to foster a good community. By building good trust, by making sure you have a good motivation, mission for what you want the other person to feel in your presence. Habit number 5 is to seek first to understand, then to be understood. It is so important for us to take a step back and actually observe critically what the other person might need or want and be able to understand them. This can allow you to help them in their own journey of where they want to go. Habit 6 is actually to use synergy and to synergize with other people. Learn to collaborate with other people and work on what you are both good at and come together and create something good. You need to learn how to create collaborative goals. The fastest way you can get to where you need to be is actually by building a good team. You need to learn how to work well with other people. You will always have a little bump in the road when it comes to your relationship with other people, and it is all about conflict resolution and you both wanting to get better and understand the other person. That is exactly how to make any single relationship work. If you are both willing to put in that work and you both are trying to understand the other person and you are both trying to compromise in what you can do to make the successful relationship work. That's all it is. We will all have faults. We will all have things that don't go our way. And it is about using conflict resolution. Habit 7 is actually to sharpen your saw. Be constantly willing to shed your skin, to analyze yourself as a living being that is constantly evolving, changing. You are not the same person you were. You have been evolving. You have been evolving on your journey. You are not going to be the same person. You will never be set in stone. This is your power, to be constantly renewing yourself and shedding your own skin, becoming better along your journey. Visualize success, create a mission statement, learn how to use SMART goals, be proactive, learn how to execute fast and urgently, prioritize good tasks that will lead you down the journey faster, learn how to say no, delegate wisely, outsource as much as possible for other people to do the work for you, build trust, value other people, and negotiate fairly. Ask questions, get to know the other person. Do not solely talk about yourself all the time. Get to know the other person and truly be interested and curious on what leads them to be where they are right now. You need to expand your horizons and understand that you don't know everything, and that is okay. You will never know everything. You are still a human going on this journey of discovering life and doing the things that you want to do in life. And it is about finding a common ground with other people and learning to enjoy this journey and sharing these moments with other people. Don't forget to comment what exactly you learned from this video and how you can implement these 7 habits of effective people in your own life. Thank you so much. Bye.